three tips to learn anything super fast in the age of AI. As you know, AI has been growing super fast. So how we can match the speed of it, right? So three tricks which I have learned through my professional career as a researcher and a AI and machine learning engineer. And I don't come from a very good academic background, or I was a prodigy in math or anything as growing up. I was a very average student, just that I had big dreams and I was very persistent in things. So one of the tricks is use the AI to your leverage. One of the God prompt, I would say, write anything, don't learn anything with formulas, everything. Write in the prompt that, hey, explain this with dummy data example and data traversal. Like if you add this thing while asking any complex mathematical equation or try to understand something, if you add this prompt, you will get a really good solution where there will be examples. So in our brain, we don't remember formulas, we don't we don't remember classes, we only remember instances, right? We don't remember the rules, we remember examples, right? How we can relate the example. So always try to learn with example. And chat gpt can really elaborate things in a really deep way. With human teacher, it's always they can slack off or they could be lazy and they don't feel like expanding that much. With AI, you can do all those kind of things which you cannot do with the human teacher. You can ask them to expand with the dummy data example, uh, show where data traversal with each steps, like this kind of prompts you can add, and that will definitely give you a good reading material expanded out, and you will understand. This is the trick I have used while, if you heard about transformer, the T part in GPT, right? Chat GPT, you heard about, right? The T stands for transformer. This kind of trick I have used to understand transformer really well. And although I have tried a lot of videos and everything, it was very hard to understand them, but once I understood this thing, even those videos become easier to understand. So you can always have example. You can see how data flows, right? You can ask them a simple image of like 6 by 6 or something, how this matrix get involved or something like that. So you can definitely also it also I have learned quantum mechanics, quantum computing at the same way using this method only. So that will be one of the super key thing you can do. Another is you can watch a lot of YouTube video, and whenever you get stuck, you can take the screenshot of that instance at that video and give some background in the prompt about what kind of video you're watching. And even though ChatGPT is so smart that it can read from the image, and you can ask to expand those things. Because as a content creator, when I make videos, we always think that some of the basics user might know, so we will skip or we also become lazy while creating things. So be